Hello student of class 7. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope all are you fine. In this video I am going to continue the first chapter, which is computer hardware and components. Okay, then let's start. In my first video I already have discussed about the first topic, which is data and information. I hope all you can understand and also write the question answer on your copy which I provided to you. Today I am going to discuss the second topic, which is hardware and software. Okay, move on. Here is hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware mainly the tangible components of machinery that makes a computer. Okay, the machinery components which is called hardware. Hardware components accept the data and instruction and process it and generate the desired output. That means the hardware, we input some data, the hardware will accept it and process it, then it's generate a desired result. All output, input, processing device, logical circuits, chips and so on are the example of hardware. Here is the basic design of functional units of a computer. Input device, arithmetic logical device, control unit, memory unit and output device. First of all, when we give some instruction to the computer by input device, computer take the instruction and control unit passes the instruction to the arithmetical logical unit. Then arithmetical logical unit calculate the data logically or process the data logically. Then the data comes to the memory unit. Memory unit stored the data for few minutes or for few times or temporarily. Then the computer will generate a result as a output. Then we can see the result on the monitor, speaker, etc. These are the output device. So input device, input, we input some instruction to the computer. Then control unit fetches the data. Then arithmetical logical unit process the data. Then memory unit will save the data or store the data for temporarily, then create a desired result as a output. This is the main concept of function of a computer system. Okay, let's move on to next page. Next is software. Software refers to a collection of a program. Mainly software is a set of instruction that tells the computer about the tasks to be performed. Okay, and how these tasks are to be performed. So mainly software is a set of instruction. Mainly software communicate with the hardware. Okay, how these tasks are to be performed, the software communicate with hardware. Here is some we cannot touch or see the software. Okay, we can see and touch the hardware, but we cannot see or touch the hardware software. Here is some example about software: operating system, applications. These are the software, some utility softwares and so on. Example of a software. Okay, now working of a computer. How does a computer work? Okay, first a computer accepts data, then the data is processed by CPU, then generates output and store the data. Number 1, computer system accept data input through the input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. We can give instruction to the computer by using input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. The input in the form of data and instruction is processed by the central processing unit, that means CPU. CPU processes the data, and the main three parts of CPU, main three units of CPU is arithmetical logical unit, control unit, and memory unit. These three uh, unit combined as a CPU. The memory unit store the data, instruction, and intermediate the result temporarily or permanently. Okay. Finally, the result is generated through the output unit. We will learn more about hardware in the chapter. Okay. So move on to the next page. Before I want to tell you shortly that we give instruction to the computer as a input, then computer will process it as processing, then the computer will generate a result, that is called output. This is how a computer is work. Okay, move on to next page. Here is two different types of hardware, one is external, one is internal. First of all, we need to know what is external hardware. External hardware means are the devices that are attached to the computer box into one port of the computer, like keyboard, mouse, etc., monitor, speaker. These all are components are is example of hardware. Okay, here is some example: input device, keyboard, mouse, light pen, barcode, optical reader, smart card, touch screen, scanner, etc. Output device, monitor, speaker, printer. Storage device, compact disc, digital versatile disc, DVD, USB, flash drive, etc. These are all example of external hardware. Now comes to the internal hardware. Internal hardware means inbuilt hardware. Internal hardware are the components that are within the computer box. They are built in, attached, or added the expansion card to the motherboard of the computer. That means these hardware are inbuilt in the our CPU box. Okay, some internal hardware components are motherboard, power supply, SMPS. Power supply means SMPS, fan, processor, primary memory, RAM and ROM, disk driver, ports, etc. Hope all of you understand what is external hardware, what is internal hardware. Okay, move on to next page. External hardware. uh, now we now we are going to know briefly about the external hardware components. Okay, number one is keyboard. We all know keyboard is a input device, and now we see how it is work. A computer keyboard is most common and standard input device. It is an electromechanical device designed to transmit specialized electronic codes when the key is pressed. That means when we press the key, this device is designed as a electromechanical device. Okay, the keyboard have standard typewriter keys, function keys, movement keys, numerical keys, special purpose keys, delete keys, insert key. These are the all types of keys inbuilt in the keyboard. Okay, nowadays wireless keyboard are also common. Wireless keyboard means without wire, like Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, next is mouse. Mouse is also a input device. The mouse an imported input device. Mouse allows to control of an non-screen pointer called is cursor. So what is cursor? Cursor means a mouse allows to control of a non-screen pointer, on-screen pointer called is cursor, which commonly looks like an arrow. When the arrow is properly positioned, it can be used to perform various tasks by pressing buttons on the mouse. Okay, we can perform any tasks by pressing the mouse. The mouse is generally an optical mouse. An optical mouse has a small light, usually red, under it and works the principle of reflection of light. This is called optical mouse. Okay, A wireless mouse is not attached with the computer through a wire. It is communicate with the computer using signals like Bluetooth. Bluetooth mouse is also a wireless mouse. Today I only discuss about the external hardware, keyboard and mouse. I will continue the chapter or the external hardware components in the next class. But all of you need to read the chapter very carefully for better understanding, and as I told you, I will provide all the question and answer about the related topic as a PDF file on YouTube. Just click on the link below YouTube description. Okay, so move on to next page. Here is some inside question and answer. Define hardware. What is the usage of hardware components? Define software. What is IPO cycle? Define external hardware with example. Define internal hardware with example. Okay, these are the inside question and answer following the chapter. All of you need to write all the question answer on your computer copy. So I hope all you can understood the topic today. I will continue the I will continue the chapter in the next class, in my next video. Okay, till then, goodbye and thank you.